हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, मैं सेल्फ राखी मिटी, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ केमिस्ट्री, जेडीबी गर्ल्स कॉलेज कोटा। हम थिन लेयर क्रोमेटोग्राफी के बारे में पढ़ रहे थे। उसमें आज हमारा नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है एब्जॉर्बेंट और लेयर्स ओवर ग्लास, एल्यूमिनियम फॉयल एंड प्लास्टिक, पीईटी, पॉलिस्टर, TLC and HPTLC plates are available, coated with a variety of adsorbents are available with and without fluorescent indicator. Silica gel, unmodified, modified, Kirale and high purity is the most common TLC sorbent. Aluminum oxide, which exhibits similar selectivity although slightly different to silica, is the second most common TLC sorbents. तो ये आपके दो मोस्ट हैं, सिलिका जेल है और एल्यूमिनियम ऑक्साइड आपके दो मोस्ट एड्जॉर्बेंट हैं TLC क्रोमेटोग्राफी के लिए. Layer thickness. The layer thickness of our glass TLC plate is 250 μm and 200 μm for aluminum or plastic with a mean particle size of 10 to 12. For HPTLC, we can use the optimized silica 60 absorbent with a significantly smaller particle size, just 5 to 6 μm. Binder. Polymeric organic binder. Our unique binder technology ensures a uniform and hard surface of TLC plates that will not crack or blister. Traditional silica plates contain a polymeric binder of high molecular weight acrylic acid polymers for the most plates. They are generally recommended for all TLC application. In many applications, outstanding suitability with no negative influences on the chromatography result has been proven. तो बाइंडर में जो है उसमें आप पॉलीमेरिक ऑर्गेनिक बाइंडर यूज़ करते हैं और इसके अंदर जो आपका आएगा वो आपका ऑर्गेनिक होना चाहिए. एक तरीके से जो भी बाइंडर आपका यूज़ होगा वो कैसा होगा, ऑर्गेनिक होगा. रग्ड स्प्लिट्स होंगी, ठीक है, और हाई वाटर कंटेंट्स होगा उसके अंदर. इंडिकेटर्स. We also provide two kinds of inorganic fluorescent indicators for the UV detection of the colorless substances. The green fluorescing F254 or blue fluorescing acid stable F254S, both of which fluorescence in UV light at an excitation wavelength of 254 nanometer. Samples which absorb short wave UV at 254 nm are detected due to the fluorescence quenching. For superior identification of separated substance, our exceptional high fluorescent lux plates contain a higher amount of the fluorescent indicator. तो आप कौन कौन से इसमें इंडिकेटर्स यूज़ करेंगे? उसमें सबसे पहला है आपका सेलुलोज. सेलुलोज अवेलेबल एज आइदर माइक्रोक्रिस्टलाइन और फाइब्रस सेलुलोज. Spores are generally more compact when separated on the layer of the microcrystalline cellulose than when separated on the layer of the fibrous cellulose. दूसरा है आपका किसिलगुर. किसिलगुर इज ए नेचुरल डाइएटोमिनियस अर्थ that can be used for the separation of the polar and moderately polar compounds. Compared to 10 to 12 μm classical TLC, this enables a highly breaking density or hence a smoother surface. When diffusion is also reduced, producing increased sensitivity and faster analysis. बाइंडर में जो आपको बताया था मैंने कि कौन सा बाइंडर आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं, उसके अंदर है आपका जिप्सम. जिप्सम एज ए बाइंडर इज रिकमेंडेड फॉर TLC यूजेस इन QA/QC labs following Holder monograph methods which require TLC plates with gypsum binder, and we do not wish to switch the classical TLC plates and organic binder. Our TLC silica gel 60Z plates are the best suited for this approach. Binder in the cellular plates, the binder we use for the cellulose plates in the carboxymethyl cellulose. तो आपका दे रखा है ये एल्यूक्स प्लेट्स है, ये F254 है, ये केवल F254 है. नेक्स्ट है हमारा TLC and HPTLC plates with concentrating zones. Quick and easy applications of large sample volume. Our concentrating zones plates are based on the different of the properties of the two silica absorbent. कौन कौन सी प्रॉपर्टीज होनी चाहिए? एन इनर्ट लार्ज पोल कंसनट्रेटिंग एब्जॉर्बेंट वेयर द सैम्पल्स आर द अप्लाइड एंड द सेलेक्टिव सेपरेशन लेयर्स. Independent of the shape, size or position of the spores, the sample always concentrates within seconds as narrow band at the interface of the two absorbent. In addition, The concentrating zones can serve as cleanup steps for analytics in the complex metrics such as oils cosmetics, suitable for TLC, HPTLC, and PLC. These plates allow easy application of large volume of diluted samples. The concentrating zone is 2.5 cm of our analytical TLC and HPTLC plates and 4 cm in length of our PLC plates. फीचर्स एंड बेनिफिट्स क्या क्या हैं इसके? सबसे पहले तो सैम्पल एप्लीकेशन क्विक और इजी होता है. सैम्पल लॉडिंग जो होता है ये एप्लीकेशंस है, कंसंट्रेशंस है और इस तरह से इसका सेपरेशन होता है. GLP प्लेट्स with individual laser coding for secure documentation. Based on the proven silica gel 60 manufacturing by the Mark Germany, our GLP plates deliver the same unsurpassed separation performance as the corresponding TLC or HPTLC plates. The only difference is that each of the laser coded GLP plates is marked with an item, batch, and individual plates number. These allow you to easily record and archive every plate you use. Our GLP plates are available as the TLC or HPTLC grade in various formats, with or without the fluorescent indicator F254, which is stimulated to the green emissions at 254 nm. Feature and benefits क्या क्या हैं? Convenient back tracking of the article, batches, individual plate number, easy documentation and archiving of every plate, sample reliable performance as TLC or HPTLC plates manufactured by Mark Germany. ऑर्डरिंग इन्फॉर्मेशन कैसे होगी इसकी? देखिए, क्लासिकल सिलिका प्लेट्स फॉर TLC. Unmodified silica is most widely used sorbent in TLC. There is good reason for this. When combined with a suitable mobile phase, it allows you to analyze the almost any substance. The smooth and extremely dense plates coating ensures narrow bands and maximum separation efficiency with the lowest background noise. Our silica plates offer all the advantages and more. They utilize a well-established mass silica gel 60 together with a unique polymer binder which result in the uniform and hard surface that will not crack or blisters. Reliable routine analysis of a broad range of substance. Unmodified silica gels covers nearly 80% of both adsorptions and partition TLC application. It enables separation of a large range of the diverse substance such as alkaloids, anabolics, carbohydrates, fatty acids, glycosides, lipids, mycotoxins, nucleotides, peptides, pesticides, steroids, sulfonamides, surfactants, tetracyclines, in many other. This make it suitable for in-process control in the drug synthesis, identify and stability testing of drugs, quality control of the pharmaceutical, food and environmental samples, और रेजिड्यू एनालिसिस इन द फूड एंड एनवायरनमेंट सैंपल. तो ये आपको एक टेबल दे रखी है TLC अनमॉडिफाइड सिलिका जेल की. डिस्क्रिप्शंस है, ये इसका लेयर एब्जॉर्बेंट मटेरियल है, लेयर थिकनेस है, सपोर्ट बैकिंग है, पैक साइज है और ये इसका कैट नंबर है. TLC जिलिका जेल 60G प्लेट्स. सबसे पहले हम पढ़ते हैं इसके बारे में, 60G प्लेट्स के बारे में. फुली कंप्लायंस विद इंटरनेशनल pharmacopoeia. Traditional TLC monogram is a pharmacopoeia refers to the products using silica G containing gypsum as the binder and silica H with no binder. सिलिका G में जो होता है जिप्सम को हम बाइंडर की तरह यूज़ करते हैं. There are about 200 monograph method in the European pharmacopoeia referring to these plates. The United States pharmacopoeia does not distinguish between the TLC plates with gypsum or organic binder. Thus, our standard plates can always be used. These new TLC silica gel 60G plates are recommended for customer in the QA/QC lab using holder pH. European monograph methods which require TLC plates with the plates fulfill the performance test requirement of the pH European for G plates with gypsum. Even though they use modern organic binders. Today, many customers routinely use these classical TLC plates in place of gypsum plates. Indeed, several monograms have been updated to the officially confirm in the changes. In addition to the standard mark domestic Germany QC test, the new TLC silica gel 60G plates are tested using the TLC performance test displayed by the PH European. Descriptions क्या हैं इसके? Chromatographic separation apply and the appropriate volume of TLC performance test solution are to the plates. Develop over a path length of the 2/3 of the plate height using a mixture of 20 volumes of the method R and 80 volumes of the toluene R. The plate is not satisfactory unless the chromatogram shows up 4 clearly separated spots. The spots of the bromocresol green with an RF value less than 0.15. The spot of methyl orange with RF value in the range of 0.1 to 0.25. The spot of methyl red with an RF value in the range of 0.35 to 0.55. And the spot of the Sudan red G with RF value in the range of 0.75 to 0.98. ये एप्लीकेशंस हैं आपके जहाँ पे TLC प्लेट्स प्री कोटेड मोनोग्राम आपको बताया गया है. मॉडिफाइड सिलिका प्लेट्स फॉर इनहेंस्ड सिलेक्टिविटी. अब आपको सिलेक्टिविटी को ही थोड़ा सा इनहेंस करना है तो उसके लिए सिलिका जेल का जो प्लेट था उसको मॉडिफाइड किया गया. मॉडिफाइड सिलिका जेल प्लेट्स प्रोवाइड्स एडिशनल सेलेक्टिविटी एंड सिग्निफिकेंटली broaden thin layer chromatography applications. Hence, they are well suited for demanding TLC separations and as the pilot technique for HPLC. Amino Ian and Doyle modified silica plates are moderately poral and suitable for both normal phase and reverse phase system. Free choice of solvent system for HPCL for spatial separation and the pilot method for HPLC. When separation challenge cannot be adequately resolved with the standard silica, you can count on modified silica plates to facilitate your application. This system offer a free choice of solvents so you can be sure that they meet our particular separation requirement. RP modified silica plates RP2, RP8 and RP18 are based on the silica gel 60 modified with aliphatic hydrocarbons. The chain length in combination with the degree of modifications define the ability to tolerate the water of the solvent system. These strongly affect retention, migrations, and the increase in the order RP2, RP8, RP18 using the same solvent compositions. The HPTLC RP2 sorbent exhibit higher polarity and higher affinity for aqueous solutions, tolerating up to 80% water, while the longer carbon chains RPH and R18 can be run with up to 60% water in the solvent system. NH2 modified silica plates. The amino modified NH2 plates provides weakly basic ion exchange characteristic with special selectivity for charged compounds. For many applications, it offers an alternative to PI cellulose. Since most substances separated on the modified plates are colorless, the majority of our modified silica plates contains the blue fluorescent acid stable UV indicators, samples which absorbent short wave you are detected to the fluorescent quenching. Your benefits results less dependent on atmosphere. LC and LPLC. No catalytic activity for unstable substance. Modified silica TLC plates provide additional selectivity and significantly broaden TLC applications. इसी तरीके से आप एल्यूमिनियम ऑक्साइड्स TLC प्लेट्स हैं वो भी एक्सीलेंट सेपरेशंस हैं बेसिक एंड नेचुरल कंपाउंड्स के लिए. और एल्यूमिनियम ऑक्साइड प्लेट्स फॉर थिन लेयर chromatography offer distinct advantage with regard to pH. Under aqueous condition, the basic compound can be separated on basic allox plates, while natural allox plates are more suitable for natural compounds. These plates achieve excellent separation for a wide variety of applications thanks to natural and basic aluminum oxides with 16 angstrom pore sizes. फिर है आपकी कैसिलुगर एंड मिक्स लेयर प्लेट्स. Is a natural diatomaceous earth that can be used for the separation of polar and moderately polar compound. For the mixed layer plate is a combination of the classical silica gel and Kessiluger is used, providing favorable properties of the certain application. सच एज सेपरेशंस ऑफ द इनऑर्गेनिक आयंस, हर्बिसाइड्स एंड स्टेरॉइड्स। यदि आपको इनऑर्गेनिक आयंस, हर्बिसाइड्स या स्टेरॉइड्स का यदि आपको सेपरेशन करना है तो उसके लिए आप कैसिलुगर या मिक्स लेयर प्लेट्स जो है आप उसका यूज़ कर सकते हैं। सेलुलोज टीएलसी एंड एचपी टीएलसी प्लेट्स, इसके बारे में हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में कवर करेंगे।